grateful heart I bow my head before you, by the great vow of your boundless love. For every heart weighed down by this life, you create a pure and sacred ground. Your crystal clear, luminous body meets my soul in the form it needs, and fills my life with blessings meant for me. With infinite light, you reveal my rightful place, my hidden gifts, and open the way for great fortune to unfold. With unsurpassed power you hold within me the sacred flame of awakened mind, and guide me to become one who can embrace both being and non-being. With perfect compassion, all beings throughout the universe gather naturally around this heart, and joy begins to flow without end. With pure love from my body, from my mind, may obstacles, illness, poverty, loneliness, and every form of lack move far away. With wondrous wisdom you awaken the deep roots of goodness hidden within me, and open the way for ignorance and karmic burdens to loosen and fall away on their own. May all suffering be released, may peace continue without end, may everything within me become full, and may worry and anxiety empty themselves into light. Sunlight Bodhisattva, moonlight Bodhisattva, bestow the harmony and compassion of sun and moon. With majestic light, drive away all harmful forces. With gentle golden light, fill the tender places deep within me. Wherever I go, may the love of the Tathagata continue along my path. Sunlight Bodhisattva, seated within this body, wherever I stand, let me stand in my rightful place. Moonlight Bodhisattva, dancing within this heart, illuminate every being who comes my way. The burdens of life through the unseen Buddha light are carried in my place. Wrapped in sunlight, wrapped in moonlight, wherever I go, virtue flows, the small